In this video, we'll show you how to set up a fleet monitoring view in Enphase Enlighten Manager, allowing you to quickly monitor the performance and operational status of all your commercial Enphase projects from a single dashboard. After logging into Enlighten Manager, navigate to Systems. Here, you'll see all the systems associated with your organization. If you'd like to monitor a specific group of projects, you can use the available filters to narrow your results. For example, if you've completed multiple installations for Bob's Coffee House, simply enter Bob's Coffee House in the system name filter to display all associated projects. For this demonstration, we've added a device type filter and selected only systems using IQ9N and IQ9S. Once you've applied the desired filters and identified the systems you want to monitor, select Overview. The Overview page provides a high-level summary of your fleet's performance and operational status. The dashboard is made up of customizable widgets that allow you to focus on the information most important to your organization. To remove a widget, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the widget and select Remove. You can also add new widgets to compare and track additional system metrics. From the Overview page, you can drill down into specific fleet details. For example, in the Fleet Status widget, we can see that 32 systems are operating normally and 11 systems require investigation. Selecting View Details displays the systems that need attention. From there, simply click on a site to access its details and begin troubleshooting. For a geographic view of your fleet, select Map View. This displays all monitored systems on an interactive map, along with their operational status, helping you quickly identify sites that are operating normally, require investigation, or need immediate attention. Fleet monitoring provides a fast and efficient way to oversee all of your Enphase commercial installations from a single dashboard, whether you're using a computer, tablet, or smartphone.